Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix no sound issue on YouTube. Firstly, start with these basic to rule out simple causes. 1. Check your speakers. Make sure they are plugged in and powered on. 2. Inspect cables and connection. Look for loose or unstable plugs. Also check your device volume. Turn it up to a stable level. Then select the correct audio output and/or update your audio driver. Now look at the bottom left corner of the YouTube video. If the speaker icon has a slash, click to it to mute. And if sound doesn't resume, continue to the next step, which is try a new browser or private tab. Open YouTube in a different browser or open a private incognito window in your current browser. If sound works there, try cleaning your browser cache and cookies. And restart your browser and check YouTube sound again. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.